Hello and welcome to this free personal branding course. In this course, you will learn everything about personal branding and crafting your social media presence. But first, let me tell you a little bit about my background. My name is Usman Qadir and I have been creating videos as a freelance spokesperson for different companies around the globe. I have worked with a lot of companies and helped them in their video marketing campaigns, and I am aware of all the tactics used by big companies and influencers to build their brand. In this course, I will not be just sharing with you theoretical knowledge. Instead, I'll be sharing with you practical strategies, worksheets and exercises that will help you understand how to build a profitable personal brand. Every 2 days, I will be uploading the new video of this course. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any part of this course. And also, I want you to make sure that you are taking notes of all the worksheets and strategies that we are going to share in this course. Otherwise, just listening to what I say and not doing the worksheets and exercises by yourself is not going to do any benefit. So these are some of the points I want you to keep in mind before we go ahead with this course. And that basically wraps us up for today's video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.